Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. We have started the rectification of errors revision classes. In the last video, we have seen how the rectification entries are passed, and we have solved one question paper sum also of September 2025. In today's video, we will solve the May 2025 question number 2A, which was asked for 10 marks. So let us start with this question number 2A. Following errors were found in the books of XYZ. Give necessary entries to correct them. First one, a purchase of goods from R amounting to rupees 10,000 has been wrongly entered through the sales book. So purchase was wrongly entered through which book? Sales book. For that, we have to pass the rectification entry. How to pass the rectification entry? We have already seen the 4 steps for rectification entry. First one is correct journal entry. Second one, wrong journal entry. Third one, reversal of wrong journal entry. And fourth step is you will get your rectification entry. So let us see that. First entry will be purchase account debited to R account. That is the correct journal entry. What they have done? They have done R account debited to sales account. So if I reverse this R account debited to sales account, the entry will be sales account debit to R account. So when I add 1 plus 3, purchase will be debited, sales will be debited, R account credit and R account credit. So this will be my rectification entry. So under rectification entry, purchase account is debited, sales account is debited, R account instead of writing 2 times, I will write only 1 times. To R account, double will be the amount. So my rectification entry will look like this. In the books of XYZ, first entry, purchase account debit 10,000, sales account debit 10,000, to R account credit 20,000. Narration has to be written as it is given in the question, being so and so is rectified. So that is your first entry, easy one. Second one, furniture purchased for office use amounting to rupees 25,000 has been entered in the purchases day book. Furniture purchased, whether it is a revenue expenditure or capital expenditure, that we have to see. So furniture purchase is a capital expenditure. Furniture is a fixed asset for the business, which was wrongly entered through purchase day book. So what is the correct journal entry for purchase of furniture? The entry will be furniture account will be debited. What they have done? They have debited the purchase account instead of furniture account. So this I have to reverse. So purchase account will be created. So ultimately my rectification entry will be furniture account debit, purchase account credit. This will be our rectification entry. That entry we will present it in the main answer. Furniture account debited to purchase account being whatever given in the question. That narration has to be mentioned. Third one. Under third entry, minor repairs. Minor repairs means it is a revenue expenditure to the furniture account amounting to rupees 1500 were debited to furniture account. What is the journal entry for minor repairs to furniture? It is repairs account debited to cash account. Wrongly they have done what? Furniture account debited to cash account. So how to rectify that? Observe here, repairs account should have been debited. That is a correct entry. Furniture account debited is a wrong entry. So furniture account debit is debit. We will do it into credit. We will reverse the wrong entry. So ultimately our rectification entry will be repairs account debited to furniture account. So that is the third one. Fourth one, wages amounting to rupees 3,000 paid to workmen for making office furniture. For what purpose we are making the payment? For making the office furniture has been charged to wages account. So when the amount is paid to workmen for making the office furniture, it amounts to capital expenditure. Whatever the expenses incurred to bring the asset into its present location and condition, all such expenditure has to be debited to the concerned asset. So correct entry is office furniture account debited to cash account. What they have done? Wages account debited to cash account. So how to rectify this? See here. I have not written here. So simple one. Furniture account should be debited. Furniture account should be debited. What they have done? Wages account they have debited. We will reverse it. Wages account will be created. So 1 plus 3. Furniture account debited to wages account. So that is your rectification entry for point number 5. See here. 4. Office furniture account debited to wages account. This is point number 4. Then let us go to point number 5. Point number 5, tuition fees of proprietor. It is a personal expenditure. So tuition fees of proprietor paid by the proprietor rupees 25,000 has been debited to audit fees account. So tuition fees of proprietor's son, it should be debited to which account? Drawings account. But by mistake they have done what? Audit fees account. So audit fees will be created and tuition fees will be debited. See point number 5. Drawings account should have been debited. By mistake they have done audit fees debit. Now we will reverse that audit fees, it will be created. So ultimately if I add 1 plus 3, so drawings account debited to audit fees account. That is your rectification entry 5. Entry number 6. An amount of rupees 10,000 due from Mohan, which had been written off as bad debts in the previous year. Already it is written off as what? Bad debts, and it is transferred to profit and loss account. Was unexpectedly recovered and has been posted to the personal account of the Mohan. What it means? So what is the journal entry for bad debts recovered? It is cash account debited to bad debts recovered account. What they have done? They have written cash account debited to Mohan account. This is the wrong entry. They have given the credit to the personal account of the Mohan. This entry we will reverse now. So Mohan account will be debited, cash account will be created. This is the reversal entry. Now if I see 1 plus 3, cash account debit, cash account credit will be cancelled. Ultimately what is remaining? Mohan account debit remains, bad debts recovered, credit will remain. So this will be our rectification entry for point number 6. Okay, easy one. Next point number 7. Goods costing rupees 7,000, sale price being 10,000, distributed as free samples. Why we distributed as free samples? For the purpose of advertisement. So it is a advertisement expense among prospective customers were not recorded anywhere. It is a error of omission. So we have to pass the journal entry for goods distributed as free samples. What is the journal entry for this? Advertisement account debit to purchase account, right? Simple journal entry. Which amount we should consider? That is very important. 10,000 is the selling price, which will not be considered. Only cost price has to be considered whenever goods are distributed as free samples. So advertisement account debited to purchase account, amount will be 7,000. Okay, next one. Goods amounting to rupees 1,000 returned by customer G and company were entered in the sales day book and posted therefrom to the credit of his account. So they have taken it to sales day book and posted it to the credit of his account, that is G and company account. So see here what is happening here. Point number 8. What is the correct journal entry for this? Sales returns account debited to G and company account. Goods are coming in, sales returns is a real account, goods comes in debited. G and company is a personal account, he is the giver, credited. But what they have done? They have passed it to sales account credit side, G and company credit. If I reverse this entry, sales account will be debited, G and company account will be debited. Now see the entry number 1 and 3. G and company credit, G and company debit. Both are cancelled. What is remaining? Sales returns account debit, sales account debit. So debit, debit, okay. To pass a journal entry, we require two aspects. One is debit and another one is credit. Here no credit account is available to pass the journal entry. In that case, we will use which account? Suspense account to complete your rectification entry. That is why here suspense account is used. That is your point number 8. Next, point number 9. A bill of exchange received from SS and Company for 10,000 had been returned by the bank as dishonored and had been credited to bank and debited to bills receivable account. Whenever a bills of exchange topic we have seen, whenever a bill is dishonored, we have to debit the debtor and we have to credit the bank if it is already discounted with the bank. So what is the correct journal entry? Bills receivable SS and company account debited to bank account. What they have done? See here. SS and company account debited to bank account is the correct entry. They have debited bills receivable account debited to bank account. So we have to reverse it. Bank account debited to bills receivable account. Bank account debit and credit will get cancelled. Ultimately, SS and company account debited to bills receivable account. This will be the rectification entry. Already bills of exchange journal entries we have seen in the bills of exchange topic. Okay. Next one. Point number 10. Last entry. A bills receivable for 2500 was passed through bills payable book. The bill was given by Jack. Bills receivable wrongly treated as bills payable. Whenever a bills receivable is accepted by the debtor, the journal entry is bills receivable account debited to Jack account. But what they have done, Jack account debited to bills payable account. This is a wrong entry. So we have to reverse this wrong entry. So bills payable will be debited, Jack account will be credited. So ultimately, if we see bills receivable account debit, bills payable account will be debited. Jack account credit and Jack account credit. Instead of writing Jack account twice, I will write only once to Jack account, double will be the amount. So this is how you have to identify the rectification entries. So in examination, you have to present the answer in the following format. In the books of whatever the name of the business is given, journal entry, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit, this format has to be followed. Then you have to write the compulsory narration in your examination, being so and so. Whatever is given in the question, same sentence you can write it as a narration also. So this is how you have to present your answer. Here advertisement account debited to purchase account, you have to use the cost price, not the selling price. This entry you have to remember. All other things are easy in this question. This question was asked for 10 marks. Okay. So with this we will close the today's video. Next video we will solve the January 2025 question paper, rectification of errors. If you have any doubt, you can comment on this video. Thank you.